Hello and welcome to WordPress training. This is Santosh. This is my channel. Please check out my other videos and share this with your friends. The purpose of this video is to install and show you Astra theme. It is a WordPress theme. Let me show you how to install it and let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left hand side, there is a sidebar. Click on themes. You will end up here. Click on add theme. On the right hand side, we have search themes. Type Astra. Once you type Astra, you see all the Astra themes that are there. The one that we are looking at or interested in is the Astra theme. Over here, it's called Astra. If you click on detailed previews, you can see it is version 4.11.10. This theme is extremely simple, light, lightning fast, and highly customizable. Let me show you how to install this. Click on install. Click on activate once the installation is done, so that the theme is applied to our website. This was our older theme. Now if I refresh the site, we have Astra theme. As you can see, it's pretty simple and looks nice. That's how you install Astra theme. Thank you so much. The video will be on videos. You can share this with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.